And we're back with North of the Broad with Pam Abell. She is a loan originator, actually a mortgage loan originator with a company called GMFS Mortgage. And we were talking earlier, and Pam said, I just love my job. And why do you love it?
You know, the main reason is I am able to help people attain their dream, and the dream of buying a first-time home. Our company motto is changing lives, and it truly does change a person's lives when they're able to buy a home.
And is it difficult to qualify for a mortgage, Pam? And I know there are a couple of components that...
You know, it's really not. A lot of people think that they have to have perfect credit and they have to have no debt, and they're afraid if they owe $10,000 on a credit card that won't qualify them. But we look at two main things, and that is your debt to income, and that's your monthly debt versus your monthly income. And it has to be below a certain percentage. And then we also look at your FICO score, which is your credit score. And you know, there are a lot of loan programs out there now where you can get approved with a FICO score of 600 or less. So it's really easy to pre-qualify. I can do that typically within 20 minutes and have an answer.
Oh my gosh, that's exciting.
Yes. Yes.
Now, are there different types of mortgages?
There are. And we have a lot of mortgages that we offer through GMFS. Our number one product is our conventional mortgage for a primary home. We also do a construction to perm, where we the client takes out a construction loan and then we convert it to a permanent loan by the end of the build. We do FHA. We do VA. In the Beaufort area, we do a ton of VA loans, and they're very, very wonderful loans and very easy to qualify.
Can you only have a VA loan once in your life?
No, you can have them. It just depends on what your entitlement is, and I won't get into all of that. But no, you can have more than one.
Because my son's in the Air Force, and he did get a VA loan, but I think he had one before in Denver. So.
Yes, and VA loans don't require any money down, so it's wonderful. Great benefit to be in the military.
Now you're local, and you believe that it's important to have a local lender, not a big national whatever. So
you know, I really do, Robyn, and that was not really brought to my attention until I got into the business. And there are so many of my clients that have told me that they can't even get a big box lender on the phone or anyone to answer the phone. And we really pride ourselves being local in the community and making sure that we're available to answer any questions and to hold that buyer's hand throughout the whole process. It's very important too to be local, because typically if you're local, you know the appraisers, you know the builders, you know the insurance companies, and you can get a lot more done if you know those and have, you know, relationships with those people.
And as the originator, so you're the point person with all of those individuals to help make sure that everything gets into place at the right time. And you all are going to be involved with the Water Festival this summer. Your company, GMFS. Why?
You know, when we first opened up on Fripp Island, one of our main priorities is to make sure we're involved in the community in every situation that we can. And not only for, you know, referrals and to get our name out there, but to really give back to the community. And so I approached our vice president back in Baton Rouge last year about participating and sponsoring the Lowcountry dinner night. And he said, absolutely, we need to give back to the community. And we're doing it again this year.
That's great. Any other messages that we didn't get to very quickly for our viewers out there about mortgages that they need to know?
Yeah, just the thing about it is it's easier than you think. Call me, email me. We can get you pre-qualified very, very quickly and get you a very, very competitive rate, and you'll be working with someone who can hold your hand throughout the whole process and get the loan done.
And someone who cares.
Yes, absolutely.
Someone who really cares.
Absolutely.
So the website, Pam, is GMFSmortgage.com, but you also, if you don't mind, you have an email at PAbell@GMFSlending.com.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.
And we'll be right back with North of the Broad. Don't go away.